Okay, working on a 2016 BMW X5 here. It's a machine face. This has the silver inset, so I'm going to go ahead and paint the finish on this one. It's pretty deep damage down here. I'm going to hit that with the 80 grit to get all that damage out. Take the rest of the damage out with the red conditioning disc, and then we'll sand it up and get the paint on it. While I'm getting set up, if you wouldn't mind hitting that like and subscribe button, I will start grinding on this in just a minute. This is just dirty down here. None of the spokes are damaged at all. It's just about half the wheel curb rash. So 80 grit from here to about here. And then we'll switch it over to the red disc. Go ahead and switch over to a fresh red one here. And then we'll go ahead and sand this out with the 320. I need a new 320 disc on the sander. That Audi I just did had, the wheels were real tight, or the tire was real tight to the wheel. And when you have to get these edges, it tears up your sandpaper pretty quick. Alright, we'll go ahead and scuff this with the 1500 grit scuff pad. And on this one I'm going with the medium silver. That's linked in the description below. Usually I use the fine silver on a machine, but this Inset has pretty heavy flake, so the medium silver will have a little bit more flake than the fine silver, but it'll still match the machine face pretty well. Go ahead and get this dust wiped off of here. And again, it does, especially the tire doesn't have to be perfectly clean. This has not gone through detail yet. Okay, and then we just cover that with clear coat, and this one's done.